Hello, this is GavSam G. Not sure if it's GT. I'll be showing you the unboxing of, well, one of my dad's new fireworks for fireworks night. Not sure when you're going to be watching this, but this is a couple of days before fireworks night. So we have the Supernova, which, as you can see, it just ejects. It's like a fountain. It ejects, so they'll think, eject stars and bangs. So basically just stars and, yeah, bangs. Stars as in being like golden sort of fountains, and these are, these are rockets. These are all standard. Good company, and I'll be showing you what you get in that box later. Well, on this video. So we've got the standard rockets up there. I'm really not sure what these are because they don't seem to have the rocket bit on the end there. Whereas these ones do. So yeah, comment if you know. And then the fuses on each at the bottom, and if you turn to the back you can see it's got a launch, like something you put them through as it's done there, that helps you fire them up into the air like a stand, so you don't have to make your own, which me and my dad were having a problem with that last year. So yeah, that's the rockets. They just go into the air as you do and make a huge bang and wake up the neighbours. Okay, so just going to move my rockets into the dirtied up sink and my Supernova, and so let's get on to this. Just put the lid there. So let's start off with the lava burst, which is another one of just a smaller version of them. I think we might put this one with that at the same time. Yeah, emits showers of sparks, so a bit different. So this one does less quantities, but like a star, whereas that will just be showering down with sort of fiery, glistening stuff. So stuck together. And you want to make sure you're not breaking the fuse there, because then you're kind of screwed unless you have Chinese. This is the golden flare. Emits showers of sparks, so just like your lava burst does, just on seems to be like a smaller scale. So I think I could put all three of them together. That will look very good. What have we got here? So this is like a small sort of banger. As you can see, it fits in the hand quite perfectly. Fuse at the top there. Emit showers of sparks. Put that with them. Me and we like to either dig a hole or usually make a bracket out of wood for these. And guessing that's the same. Yeah, both the same. So we'll probably put them definitely together actually. And then if you look in here, just to the, got some what seems to be a very long stick. Eject stars. Pretty much the same at the moment, but we've got two more what seem to be pretty similar to them. But these ones, they're Sky Power. These are Crystal Atom. I will be taking videos and putting them on YouTube when we are using these, and I'll name them. And I'll name them while I go through. So this is the Crystal Atom, which is just a rocket, really, blue rocket. I will be showing another video. We'll be putting another video on. There's the golden Oro line. Emit showers of sparks, just like the one. Instructions: insert upright the soft grounds, straight and fuse, emit showers of sparks. So we've got quite a few the same that we might be able to put together. Sun fountain, I'm guessing this does the same thing. Emit showers of sparks. Well, we seem to be going along the same lines here because I'm new to these. Emit showers of sparks. It's the absolute. Glitter stars. Emit showers of sparks. Oh, see the fuse. I'd recommend, if this happens, just to stick it back down again. It's quite hard. Wait, no, I can do that some other time. Okay, then we seem to have four more banger shaped ones. Emit showers of sparks. Same thing. Same thing. Same thing. Right. Boom. Torrent bang. Boom bang. Emit showers of sparks. So these ones eject. So they basically are just regular cannons. They eject sparks. These two do. Same with them. It's the glitter rain. Eject stars. Oops, sorry. Eject stars as well. They're two. They're pretty much the same. Long. Right. Okay. On to the next one. Emit showers of sparks, then eject stars. That's a bit of a 2-in-1. Get what I mean? This is a smaller one. You can see when you open the box, what I'm doing here. That's what you're going to be lighting. Just that. It's gunpowder. That's what all the other box ones are like. Make sure the fuse doesn't get caught, because then unless you have some Chinese Visco, which you can get off Starlighter, which is American, I am English. You can see Silver Halo. Emit showers of sparks, just like the others. So that's going to have the same one as that, which is the one I opened for you. Then there's Golden Treasure. I'm kind of looking forward to this one. We do have one more in the box, just so you know. It may look empty. That is it comes with a lighter as well. Well, not a lighter. Things that you put. So if I was to have this, just take this rocket out for example. Oh no, I can't get it into the ground. You'll shove that into the ground. You can just slide that along there, and it will come out like that, ready to light basically. Just take that one out, put it in my sink of fireworks. Guessing this one does the exact same thing. Emit showers of sparks. seems to be just like on a bigger scale. And now we have our final one, hoping this is not just to emit showers of sparks. Oh yay, a Roman candle! Eject stars. So pretty much the same. Oh. And you get some more. Oh, I think this is a lighter stick. I'll just explain to you what I'm pretty sure this is what you do with it. You light the end so you can light sort of, well, two things at the same time. And it's like, because if I was to light one thing with a lighter, oh yeah, I can get away. If I'm to light two things with a lighter, I'm gonna have to go. Whereas with this, I can just go like that. Makes it a lot easier. So yeah, that's that. And this is the fireworks review. GabSamG, hope you like, subscribe to our channel. There are some very weird but funny videos in there. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in our next video of probably will be us lighting these fireworks. So thank you for watching, goodbye. Oh yeah, and by the way, I am a bit of a pyrotechnic.